Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to change someone's access from editor to viewer in Google Drive on your Windows PC. First, open drive.google.com and sign in. Next, locate a file or folder, right-click it and choose Share. In the sharing dialog, find the person you want to change. Click the role drop down next to their name and select Viewer. If you used a shareable link, under Get Link, click the Access drop-down and choose Viewer. After changing roles, click Save or Done to apply the update. Remember, to prevent viewers from downloading or copying, click the Settings gear icon in the same Share dialog and toggle Disable options to download or print and copy from commenters and viewers. If someone else is the file owner, you'll need them to transfer ownership before you can limit their access. And that's it guys, your collaborators will now have view-only access. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.